Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Before I start my video, I would like to welcome all of my new subscriber who has just subscribed to my channel. So let's start. The first activity we have over here is a closing and opening the bottle caps. So how can you entertain your 1-year-old during this time? This activity is an interesting for her because she loves opening and closing caps or bottles or whatever you give her. This next activity is she is putting the pegs inside the holes of this tissue roll. So if you've been watching my videos, you would have recognized this activity. These activities I have done with my toddlers at home, and she's always participating in the activities I do with them. She was doing this all by herself, mashallah, and it was amazing to see that how quickly she was picking up activities what her brothers were doing. Yusra, what is this? Yusra, what is this? Hot. And this is? Cold. Cold. Now tell mama. Big? Small? Yes. Yahya? Is that Yahya? Full? Empty? Up? Down? Meow is cat. Where is cat? Where is cat? Dirty? Meow. Where is meow? Who's this? Black? Yes. Meow. What are these? What is this? Shoes. What is this? Shoes. So this next activity, what I did was I took a double-sided tape and I took a paper and few pom-poms. So what I did was, as you know that tape are sticky, and double-sided tape makes sure that it doesn't come out at all. So she just had to paste all the pom-poms on the paper. So she was interested as it was sticky, and she was interested why is it sticky and what am I doing. So she was pulling them out and putting it back in, and she loved this activity. She was entertained for a while, and she kept on putting them, then she left, and then she came back and she kept on putting it again. So she loved this activity. This next activity was putting popsicle sticks and pom-pom in a box. So I made few holes according to the required things she has to put inside this box, and she was trying her level best to put the popsicle sticks. Obviously I was helping her because she was doing this activity for the first time, and most of the activities I give my toddlers or my children, they are doing it either for the first time or maybe the second time. So I try my best to capture every moment and show you that every child takes time to learn and understand things around them, and she's like the youngest one, so she is adapting, mashallah, everything from her brothers. So yeah, sometimes good, sometimes bad, but she is learning a lot from them, and that's why she wants to do the activities which they are doing while I'm entertaining them. So this was an interesting activity. They were like small holes and they were big holes, and she was putting the small pom-poms in the bigger holes, obviously, but I started telling her one by one that she has to put these holes, pom-poms, in these holes. So yeah, you can, as you can see that they are small and big holes, so she had to make sure she is putting the right thing in the right place. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. You can follow me on my Instagram page. As always, like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.